Woo! That Sichuan right in the... Oh, it grabbed my uvula. Oh.
China. In the West, we want China to be picturesque, all tea and rice hats, bamboo and ancient boats tranquilly sailing down empty bodies of water, Zen and Qi masters of the ancient world, and still robed in silk. But the reality is much more complicated and much more flavorful. But this isn't a video about the billions, it's about one. Jack. This is Jack. This is Jack's fault. And so is this, and this, and this. He would order and we would eat. He seduced us with the flavors of his home country and we were all too willing to oblige. We became friends over food. We're still friends because of it. This video is dedicated to Jack. This recipe is his. For the Kung Pao, we'll need 12 simple ingredients. Because I've scaled this recipe for 2, this shouldn't take us more than 15 minutes to prep. Note that I'm using chili de árbol because I couldn't find tianzin chilies at the market. Another substitution would be Thai chilies. Start with the rice. Remember, we're trying to be speedy so everything finishes at the same time. Rinse your rice until the water is clear and fill the water a fingertip above the rice. Dice your chicken into small cubes. Think something a bit larger than a plain dice. Don't agonize about perfect cubes, you type A chefs. Okay, throw in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and a pinch of salt. The goal is to coat them without the chicken being sticky. I'm using the meaty bit of the leek because that's where the flavor is. Well, that and these leek leaves were packed with dirt. Unlike my infant, I'm trying to limit my soil intake this month. For the green onions, we're going for pieces you can pick up with chopsticks while still being large enough to remain crisp in the wok. After you peel your ginger, and I am using a spoon this time, slice them into wafers. Trust me, large ginger pieces won't be a problem in this dish. In fact, you'll welcome any relief from the burn. The same goes for the garlic. Cut your chilies in half so you look extra tough in your thumbnail. Measure out your Sichuan peppercorns, and you've just done the heavy lifting. Combine everything but your chili and peppercorns in a bowl and stir it. Don't worry if your sugar is still a bit grainy. The heat from the wok will melt those stubborn grains, and your sauce will emerge like a spicy phoenix from the bubbling cauldron. And that's exactly where we're headed. Throw your wok on medium-high heat. If high is 10, shoot for 7 or 8. Then dump in some oil. Yes, my bronze pan isn't a wok. Someday I will own one. Someday. I'm testing the oil with a single peanut. It's burnt and the oil is right at the edge of smoking, which means it's time. Things can burn in an instant. Stay on top of it. Cook them until they're a nice off-gold color. Now the chicken. Again, keep the heat high and your wrist moving. Elbow, elbow, wrist, wrist. Oh, that's something else. When the chicken turns white, you're ready for your sauce. This sauce has some serious sugar in it, so stir like your life depends on it. Seriously, stir. Think about the millions of chefs in kitchens all over the world dripping with sweat and exhaustion as they frantically push bits of food across a wok to prevent them from burning. Welcome to the club. The sauce will get a slight caramel color to it. That's when you know it's done. Don't overcook it unless you really like eating wilted onion and rubber chicken. And now, a montage.
Oh man, right away that Sichuan grabs your throat and just constricts it. It's exactly what good Sichuan peppers do. They numb your mouth. Oh my gosh, we just got a chunk of ginger, garlic. Everything in this dish is a heavy hitter. There are no lightweight, soft, subtle, French, butter, cheese type flavors. These peanuts are perfectly crunchy. I'm eating peppers, I'm eating everything. Like I'm trying to impress my Chinese friends right now. The chicken is great, it's super tender. The leeks are crispy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, holy buckets, that's good. Woo! You know you're dealing with strong flavors when ginger's like not the big boy. When ginger's kind of like, you guys can go first. You're dealing with some big flavors. The whole left side of my tongue is numb. Now we're eating. It's one of the least sugary kung pao gyros that you'll eat. Don't scrimp on the Sichuan peppers. That's part of the experience. That flavor, that it's kind of like a green snake just biting you in the mouth the whole time. That's the flavor you want. This brings back memories. It's so good, so authentic. Jack, thank you for that recipe. Culture, so good. Ooh. Oh, I grabbed my uvula. Okay, we're crying yet? You guys can do this at home. Took me all of 30 minutes to get that done. Super easy, super simple ingredients. You can totally do this. You should do this. You might have to order online some Sichuan peppers. Get the hot ones, don't get the mild ones. If you don't like spice, tune in next week because I got something less spicy. Oh, I need some milk with that. Don't eat crappy food. Live intentionally, eat intentionally, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, this tastes so familiar. It's just perfect. We could be in mainland right now.